Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So as usual, now we shift to the gold market. In fact, in the daily time frame, it's not much change here. So you can see market still stands around the completion point of the hour ABCD pattern. That also creates an agreement with this significant resistance area. That is confluence resistance on the daily time frame, daily overbought, monthly pivot point. And our major setup yesterday for trading was particularly this resistance in complement of this ABCD, and we said that minimum target the market could hit is the previous highs. So market could retest it and then either continue to move higher or turn to the downside. That's very common action. It's a high probability action with any ABCD development. So after completion of the 100% extension, some at minimum shell retracement should follow. Now market stands with it. On the 4-hour time frame, we said that we could get this bearish engulfing pattern that should lead us at minimum to this area, and we have got it. So you can see this is nice bearish engulfing. The target of this pattern, the minimum target, is the length of the bar itself. Counting to the downside, you can see that coincides with the FIB support 1264 and the previous swing high right here. So that is our minimum target. But I can't exclude that market in fact later could continue to move down. That's also possible. But since this is our scalp trade within the rather successful week for us, so I think that's better to be focused on this area and take the first profit and wait for another setup. Our major information now stands on the 15-minute chart that we have discussed yesterday. Here it is. So that was our yesterday setup. We said as this up and this engulfing pattern on the hourly time frame, we also have discussed it, looks like the could shift to the head and shoulders pattern on the 15-minute charts, because this swing up looks like the butterfly, and butterflies very often becomes the part of the head and shoulders pattern, and that has happened. We said yesterday you could enter short either here or right at the 1288 area, since that will be the area where the top of the right shoulder should appear. And that has happened twice. So here was the first touch of this area. Later on, the market jumps up from the neckline. That was also the second touch. Now you can see market has broken this support area and now is developing to the downside. The target of this potential move could be drawn as this ABCD pattern, that based on the head and shoulders. Okay, that's a bit skewed head and shoulders, since you can see the market stands with this fluctuation too much, some really extended move. But still, this is ABCD pattern. The target of this pattern stands at 1266 ABCD complement point, right in agreement with this area. Right, so very close to this support. So that target of this pattern coincides with this level, and I think that's the level that we should be focused on. Well, I do not know whether it makes sense to take short positions right now because the risk-reward ratio will be probably equal. Well, if you do not have the short position and you haven't entered short yesterday, well, it's probably better to stay flat since today is Friday, and not make sense to take some additional risk that is also not quite clear attractiveness of this position if you would like to take the short right now, because it's not obvious advantage with this if you enter short here. But if you have entered short here, as we have suggested, well, in this case, or here, in this case, you could just hold the shorts, move your stop to the break even, and try to take profit around 1265 area. That will be our trading plan for the today trading session.